What's going on, guys? Bama's Outdoors back with you. It's been a couple weeks since we did a video. We just recently got back from Myrtle Beach, and the forecast shows that we're going to have 2 or 3 decent days before it gets really, really cold. So we thought we would come back over here at the pond today, make a few casts, and see if we can get us a fish. Last time I was over here, I caught a bass. It was right at 6 pounds, right here in this exact spot where I'm standing. Using a Cinco, and I had it rigged, kind of Texas rigged. So hopefully we'll get into a few. Before we get started, guys, would you please reach up there and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button? We sure would be grateful. And hopefully we'll catch some fish today. Appreciate you watching. We got a good one. This is a pig. This is a big fish. Oh boy. This is bigger than the last one. Guys, this is a freaking stud. My gosh, look at the size of that freaking pig. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, what are you talking about? That bass is a good 6.5, maybe 7 pounds. Whew, look at that. Look at that Cinco laying down in there. He freaking choked it. I'm gonna have to take a minute to get him loose, guys. Whew. Now that's how you start out a day. Yes. We'll have to grab a couple pictures, guys. Whew. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? 7 pounds, baby. 7 pounds. Just shy of 7 pounds. So it's a little bit bigger than the one I caught last time. Okay, big girl. Big girl. You made my day. If I can get you woke up here a little bit. All right, baby, come on. There you go. I know you. There you go. Thank you, big girl. Holy smokes. First fish of the day. Whew, just shy of 7 pounds. Yes. That's awesome. Man, that's exciting. It's not very often I go fishing and the first fish I catch is a pig. And all I was doing was rigging this Cinco weightless on this 4/0 hook. Well, I'm gonna have to get another one. That one's pretty much shot. But this Yamamoto Cincos, green pumpkin. All the fish I've caught out in this pond so far have been away from structure. Have been right out in the middle. All I'm doing is just casting out there, leaving my bail open. And letting this Cinco just flutter down. You know, as this thing flutters down, this tail here and this tail here vibrates. It just shimmies down really, really slow, and it's got a tremendous amount of action. And I casted about that far. I did not hear it. I mean, I didn't feel the bass bite. All I did is after I let it fall to the bottom, I closed my bail. I started tightening my line in just a little bit, just enough to be able to feel it. So I was going to start bouncing it off the bottom on the way back in, and it wouldn't move. So that bass went and just inhaled it and sat in one spot. Right now I'm getting another bite. Yep, there's another one. Holy smokes, guys. Just as I'm doing this, look at this. Oh, he got loose. Oh my gosh. They're biting it as it falls. That was nowhere near as big as the last one. But that bait just had almost hit the bottom. All right, I'm right back out there again. I'm gonna leave my bail open and let that thing just float all the way down. Finally, little bitty tiny guy. Dang. That's a big difference from going from a 7-pounder to a dink. But we'll take it. Appreciate it, bud. I decided to come over here to the other side. The sun's shining on this side. I want to give that little spot over there where I caught that big fish some time to kind of chill out and go back over there in just a little while. Had a couple decent bites. I want to try to catch 5 fish. There's another one, guys. Not as big as the first one and not as small as the last one. We'll take it. Whew. I wish I'd have had my camera rolling when this guy hit. I saw a couple fish trolling on the shoreline, and I cast it over there, and he came up and he busted it on top before it could even start sinking. If I'd have had my camera going, that would have been nice. But I can't keep it rolling 24/7. My battery will run dead. Grateful, bud. Number 3. Still fishing the green pumpkin Cinco. Sweet. See if we can get one over here on this shoreline. This end of the pond is much shallower. Once you get to the pier, there's a section from the pier on up a little bit. It's the deepest, and that's where we caught the big bass. Not a bad fish, but not a big fish either. Oh, that's a good fish. Couple pounds. What's that, number 4? I believe so. Still hitting the Cinco. Hopefully we'll catch another big one before it's over with. All right, bud. Appreciate it. There he goes. It's huge. Holy smokes. It's like a hubcap. It's big. There's number 5, guys. Oh, that's a good fish. Heck yeah, that's a nice freaking fish. What are you talking about? Boy, it's taking us a while. But He was not going to get it off either. It's taking us a while, but we've had good day. Starting out with that big old fish on these trick worms, these Cincos. These trick worms catch fish, guys. I'm telling you, this time of the year, a lot of guys like to change over, but I keep using them. And let me tell you, get yourself some trick worms, get yourself some Cincos, and go at it, man. Let me grab a picture of this guy, and then we're gonna let him go. Here we go, guys. Let's let him go. It's number 5. That was our goal for today. We still got some daylight left. I'm gonna keep chunking. We might get lucky and get another one. All right, buddy. See you next time. Just had another bite. Sun's starting to set. It's gonna get cool real quick. So I'm trying to make the most out of this time I got left. We got a cold front coming in. Next week, our highs are supposed to be in the 40s. So I'm trying to make the most out of this. That's another freaking stud. Heck yeah. I came up on this little spot where I saw a few fish swimming around. I cast it out there a few times. One hit it. I just kept running it past them, and finally this guy decided he was gonna nail it. That's a good looking bass right there. A couple pounds, 2.5 pounds. Heck yeah. 6 for today. That's a bonus fish. All right, buddy, we sure do appreciate it. There he goes. As you can tell, this pond's getting kind of low. Kind of hard to find a real good place to put these fish in without getting them a little muddy, but they're swimming away good. All the fish are healthy. I had somebody leave a comment the other day. Did you kill the fish? And I always let my fish go, guys. If you watch my videos, I always let my fish go. I do not keep fish under no circumstances. So you don't have to worry. All the fish are going back safe. And in saying that, let's go down here and work this little corner and see if we can't find another one. I see a couple more fish over here. Actually, I see 3 fish right on the other side of this pipe. I don't know if they'll bite though. Right there goes a freaking stud. 4-pounder. For some reason, they're up here in this corner. Lots of them. Usually they're out there in the deep part of the water. Cast it on that fish's head. Shouldn't have done that. God, there's another one. Another one about 3 pounds. Man, this freaking pond is loaded up with some good quality bass. Well, guys, I'm gonna come up here to the dock and make a couple casts, but I think we're gonna wrap up our video. We ended up catching 6 fish. I've seen a lot of fish. Just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you would, please reach up there and hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up button. And hit that little notification bell at the top right of our page so you can get notices for our next few videos. You'll get notifications. Yeah, I'm going to make a couple more casts here and I'm going to get out of here. But I am very grateful for you guys taking the time to watch the videos, and we'll be back out again soon. I'm going to try to come back out here maybe in the next week or two and do some crappie fishing. There's a lot of crappie in this little pond. And now that it's getting colder, those rascals are going to start biting really good. So, as always, God bless, happy fishing, and we'll see you again next time, guys.